Hi everybody, my name's Rene. I'm a listing agent here in Ocala, Florida, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about before you sell. I need you to watch and listen to the rest of this video. I've got a few tips if you guys are planning on selling your house on your own. First and foremost, the marketing. Marketing has to be on point. It's so important that you get the right pictures at the right angles, even invest in some drone photography. Again, people are searching online every single day, and if that main picture is not spot on, shrubs, greenery, clean looking, well taken photo, they're just going to skip over. It's almost like if you have children at your home and they don't know how to read, but they look on YouTube and they keep looking and looking and looking. Well, why did they keep missing all the other videos? Why did they select that one video? It's because of that main image. So work on that main image, get with a good photographer, or you can always hire me. I think another thing is that a lot of homeowners have friends in the industry, and I think that that's very great. It's great to collaborate with friends and discuss real estate with friends, but selling your home with a friend, sometimes the relationship can go south. If you care about that friend, just make sure that you're transparent, open, and the right expectations are set before you sign that listing agreement, because that friend can probably no longer be a friend. Answer your phone. A lot of homeowners that I call that become my client, they don't answer their phone. So basically they have potential buyers that are calling for interest, and I get a lot of agents are going to be calling your phone asking to sell the property, and you're going to say, no, I'm not interested, I want to sell it. That's cool. Have a conversation with the agent. You never know if that agent actually has a buyer. A lot of them are trying to list the actual home, but you just never know. You want to be open, and I know it's a monotonous thing while you have your day-to-day busy life, but you decide to sell your house. So I can encourage you to please answer your phone and answer all the questions that your agent or the buyer's agent might have. Reply back to texts and emails. Such an important thing. Sometimes we have buyers that are interested. They're here for the day. They're here for a few hours. They're interested in looking at your house, but you get crickets, or you send out crickets. Basically, you don't answer. And that's very important. As a listing agent, you have to answer. I actually have backup phones just in case I'm busy with a client. The phone still rings and somebody is helping that particular customer out. So be accommodating. If they're asking you, hey, Saturday, 10 o'clock, it's my only time, get out of the house. What's your motivation? Sell the home, right? A lot of times the homeowners, it's like a task, like, oh my goodness, like a burden. Oh my goodness, I have a showing. Look, you want to sell your home for maximum dollars. It starts with a great experience. So be accommodating. If they need to show your house, open the home, get it nice and clean. This is your one chance to get to that next step, the next move. Have open houses. It's so important. Have open houses maybe once a week if you are the owner selling your house. The reason why is because you just never know if somebody's driving by, they have that warm and fuzzy feeling, this is the home. You're not having an open house, you're not answering, you're not replying text messages. It's a buyer's market. I'm going to say that, and it's going to continue to be a buyer's market. And really, what's your motivation? Do you want to get your house sold? Do you not? Do you want to get maximum dollars? Because if you are a seller and you don't think that this is a 24-hour, 7-day job, or you're going to do it your way, I can assure you that you're going to discourage a lot of people that are willing to pay extra dollars just by that bad experience that you are providing. So if you're looking for a listing agent that's going to work 6-7 days a week and have a great team that's going to represent you, please give me a call. Direct line to me is 352-872-7222. Other than that, have a great day. Did about $2.6 million in listings for the month of September so far, and I plan on doing more. So have a great day, and I hope these tips might have helped you out before you sell. Good luck. Take care.